Hello, welcome back to TechIn. In this video, I'll be showing you how to calculate percentages in Excel using formulas. Whether you're working with grades, sales data, or any other number crunching tasks, knowing how to calculate percentages will definitely make your life a lot easier. So let's dive right in. So let's look at a list of sample data here. You have names and you have some scores out of 30. Now, for example, if I would like to calculate the percentage of Emily, she scored 16 out of 30. You simply go to the formula. This is the formula. So you click here, the formula bar, equal to, so C3, because that's her score, so C3, and you divide by 30. Now you get this number 0.533 and so on, and you'd like to convert that into the percentage format. So simply click on this one, and now you have the percentage. It's as simple as that. Now what if I would like to calculate the percentage for the rest of these rows? It's again very simple. Just click on this dot here to the bottom right and just drag it down. That's it. So you have the percentage calculated.